What's going on, guys? Sorry about the light. Super early. Early rollout today. Today's like the end of March, but the beginning of April this week. So first off, we're about probably half a month behind on mulch, which is a big problem. We usually come back to work the end of February, last week, and do cleanups for about 3 weeks, and then do mulch 7 days a week until Easter. Well, right now, grass is growing, and it just got warm. So our spring rush was a little slow, and now it's just off the walls. So we're finishing up leaf cleanups. So I'm getting the ladder ready. The stake body, you can't see it from the dark. All the tools are getting up top. Doing our last 2 leaf cleanups today and tomorrow. With that set up, and then come Thursday, that is going to be all mulch until June. Grass trucks rolling out, the Ram 2500 with the mowing trailer. Grass has to be cut. Usually the first week of April, we're cutting and mulching. Right now, I'm doing leaf cleanups while they're cutting grass, and we haven't even started mulch yet. So it's been not even crazy, but like it's just been a pain in the neck. You know, it was so cold all winter, and then kind of just, like I said, just you couldn't do anything for a while. So that's the setup. From now until Easter. Today is March 28th. We're going until Easter Sunday. Grass is going to be cut every day while we're doing leaf cleanups and then starting mulch, and it's just a mess. And then of course we're probably going to get a day or two of rain somewhere in there. You know, it never works out like you want it to. So tag along, guys. Definitely got a lot of leaf cleanups. Gonna get some mowing in and some mulching in for this week. So stay tuned, guys. So guys, right here we are gonna level some dumpsters. Made some issues here. We're gonna level this all out and then just seed. Joe's breaking something. We're gonna level and seed. Topsoil is tricky because you have to, you know, like it settles, so you have to kind of, you know, tamp it, keep going over it. It's very tricky, but the way we're gonna do it. So can't really see, but there was a dumpster here, and then a truck here. So just gonna level all this out and reseed. So stay tuned. So guys, this is the finished product here. I did not do an even grade. We just fixed what the dumpster did, topsoiled, and kind of seeded from there. So once the fertilizer company comes in and does their thing, they'll be all set, but kind of just establishing a new lawn here. So that's the plan for now. So I'll keep you guys tuned in with this one. We don't do too much of this stuff, but it's kind of the plan for now. So just to get a lawn. Most of these are rentals down here where we're at the shore, so people are going to drive their car on there and their golf cart and probably put a kiddie pool and burn out the lawn anyway. So, but that's the plan. It'll be looking good real soon. What's going on, everybody? Lots of mulch. Still a few leaf cleanups to do. Back to miserable weather. Yesterday was 70, almost 80. Now we're back down to the 40s, but it looks like after Easter, today's Thursday, this should come out on Easter actually. But we'll see. I mean, I had one crew out this week cutting grass for 3 days, me doing leaf cleanups, doing mulch all day today because it's windy. Finally got mulch in. Stuff like that. Just craziness. But all over the place this year. It's supposed to be 40s for the next 2 or 3 days, and then 60s. You know, this time for the last 10 years, 15 years that I've been doing this since high school, we would always cut grass full time for the first week of April. No, not this year. The first week of April, we've done grass, leaf cleanups, and mulch, which is just craziness. Everything's all over the place. But that's the plan, guys. A lot of mulch to do today. Cutting a few more lawns on a Friday tomorrow, and last few leaf cleanups. Saturday mulching. Mulching full-time now on weekends. Mow crew Monday through Friday. Landscaping 3 days a week. And then everyone is doing mulch on the weekends.